Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BrightLocal for citations and local audits step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the BrightLocal website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Select your payment plan based on your needs. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. After completing the sign-up, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. Log into your BrightLocal account using your email and password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To add a new business, click on the Add New Business button. Fill in the necessary details about your business, including the name and address. Provide the primary phone number and website URL of your business. Choose your business category from the drop-down menu. After entering all the information, click Save Changes to store the details. Now, navigate to the Citations tab on the main dashboard. Here, you can begin the process of building citations. Click on Add Citation to start adding your business information to local directories. Select the directories you want to submit your business to. Fill in the required citation information for each selected directory. Ensure all information is accurate and consistent across different platforms. Once you've added your citations, you can run a local audit. Go to the Audits section in the menu. Click on Run Local Audit to initiate the process. Select the business you want to audit from the list. Customize the parameters of your audit if necessary. Click Run Audit to generate the report. After the audit is complete, review the report for insights and suggestions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.